So a lot of times with the middle back, the spine dishes a little bit, so we'll do a standing adjustment or an anterior adjustment. This is a posterior adjustment. I get on the spine like this, there's a little bit of misalignment at T3, T4, so right through here. So make a contact, drop your arms all the way to the floor, breathe out. Just like that. So that's moving the spine in this direction and decreasing this kyphosis through here. A lot of patients have that, say, from text neck, where instead of this posture, they start to do this. And then so what happens is the posterior adjustment will help realign that.